sent to distant places, robbed us of our rights and words. History says that you've betrayed us, talking of the gods you show.
Scholars and scientists now concede that Africa is the birthplace of mankind. Africa is the first civilization. They discovered mathematics, invented writing, developed science, engineering, fine arts, and great buildings and architectural achievement still baffles modern science.
The 220th Emperor directs descent from Solomon and Queen Sheba.
Educate yourself of Africa.
Dos hermanos.
Antonio me tocó ahí.
Nation, my co-defendant, and I demand her attention. Getting close to the sky, so I hit it. I just Selassie, power of the Trinity. So many lies in my face, made it in white man's world that I'm living in. Some say, but it was Africa, the continent we all came from. Can't nothing come between me and you. So before I have seeds, gotta understand my roots, gotta understand the truth. Hands on, can't drown here. Life's not all fair. Work till we fall dead, all going hard till I earn like a poor girl. Although my body's in the US, my heart's dead. I can never be ashamed of her. I got my features in my name, Mama Africa.
The richest place on earth. You're just watching the earth. Talking about the God you serve. Say that it'll do. Say that it'll do. Say that it'll do. Keep your heads up high. No one will be crying. Well, they infiltrate our homes, Africa, and claim it as their own, Africa. But now we must stand tall to break down